Welcome. It is Monday, and today I am blocking in a new puzzle piece of the composition. Today I'm focusing on the hair shape and blocking that in. I don't necessarily want to follow the gray hair that I have in my reference photo. I kind of want to take artistic license, and I actually really am not interested in making the face look exactly like me. I'm just kind of using it as a guide to help me create the a composition, kind of more something in my imagination and putting all the puzzle pieces together. So today it's the hair. The hair is going to help me get a better idea of the overall face shape when it comes to it being attached to the rest of the body. It's also going to help me um, develop the depth because I've got the grass as the surface, I've got the body laying on the grass, I've got the leaves and the flowers laying on top of the body. So there is going to be, I do want to create a lot of depth in the painting. So I do want to be able to show that. So as I add additional puzzle pieces, the hair, the body, the leaves, I can continue to develop and you know create that depth so the viewer sees it as I want them to see it. All right, so welcome to Monday. Tomorrow we will move on to some of the body area. I'll be blocking that in. Again, taking in consideration the various values and the various levels of the painting. So happy Monday and happy creating.